How to change name in Google Meet. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change name in Google Meet. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you can just go ahead and open up your Google Meet application into your device if you're on your phone or even your laptop. After that, all you need to do in order to change your name in Google Meet is you can change your name in your own Google account settings. So for that, you can go over to your Google account page by tapping on the profile at the top right and tap on this Manage Google Account. After that, it will lead you to the Google account settings. So wait for the page to load up. Once the page loads up, go ahead and select personal info from here, the space, and from the space, you should be finding this option called name. Just go ahead and tap on it, click on this field, and once this page loads up, you need to go ahead and cancel out your previous name. You can just go ahead and cancel out and write up your new name. After that, save up the changes. And once that is done, your new name will be named, showed in other people's in Google Meet. So that is how you basically change your name in Google Meet by following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.